और थोड़ा दूर रह ले, यहाँ कॉफ़ी लग रहा है और ये यहाँ लगेगा, कॉफ़ी का दाग जाएगा नहीं। वाइट मैं बोलती हूँ वाइट नहीं पहनने, पर नहीं पहनूंगी।
चुप रहे मम्मी। Hi guys, welcome back to Just Saying Export.
Where we talk about some things in men that give us the ick. So
Okay.
you go first.
Okay, the first thing I think that gives me ick every fucking time is when you are hanging out with someone and they need to drink on every hangout.
Feeling like a man who's giving a dick. But यार मेरा nervous system है of an animal that is being hunted for sport. तो एक ग्लास तो मेरे को नॉर्मल इंसानों में लग जाती है।
No, I think you should have a personality other than that.
Other than one that is
Not
sponsored by
being
alcohol.
sober. Yeah, exactly.
But fair. I think one thing that gives me the ick and starting off really fucking strong is when men are not emotionally available.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I mean, your emotional unavailability is rubbing off on anyone who's coming into your life, and then they are needing help to sort
And
out
they
their
should be
lives.
straightforward with this.
Be straightforward with this and seek help.
Yeah.
This is not something that you should wear like a badge of honor. Seek help for your emotional unavailability. It's
I
not
think
that normal.
They wear it as a badge of honor because they think it sounds cool.
Yeah, I think it also denies the entire concept of
And
being.
it builds a wall against them, you know.
I mean, they can have the benefits without the responsibilities.
Yeah.
And who does not like
Anyways.
benefits without responsibilities?
Anyways, the other thing that gives me ick is that they try to act nonchalant.
Oh my god.
Similar to that, you don't feel anything, you are emotionally unavailable, and you're trying to show that I am very nonchalant, but you are not.
I cannot with a man who is not matching my level of enthusiasm.
Exactly.
अगर मैं तुमसे कुछ बोलूँ which I'm very passionate and excited about, and the responses that I'm getting from you are, okay, cool,
Nice.
good for you, fucking good for you. Stay
So
away
yours
from me.
is that someone who doesn't match your energy.
Yeah, someone who does not match my energy is a very big ick for me. What is one other ick for you?
Someone who have to smoke every other 10 minutes.
This I can say with confidence. I don't know. I mean, it's a toxic kind of a relationship, but I am the one in control of it.
They also think, no, that this looks cool to the girls, but it does not.
Yeah, I think, you know what, on the face of it, it all gives a very bad boy, good for only you kind of vibe.
Yeah.
And girls dig it. Who doesn't?
I don't.
Yeah, but generally girls do. So, but I think it leads to a lot of complications later on in the relationship.
If first time I meet a guy, okay, and if he has to smoke every other 10 minutes,
No, actually,
Okay, but also
the bone of contention here is what am I doing for the 10 minutes that you are smoking? I'm sitting. What am I doing?
वो गया
You know,
है बाहर.
I had a friend who used to constantly smoke. So I asked him how he.
You had a friend?
Yeah,
I
I
have
had.
friends who do that.
I had a friend. No, I asked him to quit, and then I realized that I can just let this person quit from my life. I don't have to go behind him to
That's
quit
the
smoking.
better option.
So I cut him off. But I asked him how he got into it in the first place, when he tried it, and since when has he been smoking consistently. And he's like, I just don't know what to do with my hands otherwise.
Cut them off. No use.
I don't know what to do with my hands
No
otherwise.
use.
I am fidgety, so I smoke.
बांध दे.
Fidget spinner.
हाँ, fidget spinner घुमाओ यार.
That was such a fad back then, but okay.
हाँ. What's the other thing that gives you?
One other thing that gives me the ick, I will not explain this, but men being bad drivers.
Okay. These are not good.
Why are you as a man a bad driver? I mean, let me live up to the stereotype. No, let me drive horribly, pathetically. Why are
I
you
don't
as
like that, but okay.
But yeah, I mean, in a relationship, let me be the bad one, please. Let me hit the curb. Let me not parallel park. Why are you as a man a bad driver?
I think you haven't had an experience with that, so
Oh
I am
my
not going
God.
to ask you to explain that. Okay.
What is one other thing that gives you the ick about men?
Is that they blame everything on others. Like they don't want to take it on themselves, and they think that whatever is wrong in their life, whatever is happening in their life, it is because of the other person.
And it's usually the female surrounding them.
Yeah.
The female in the closest proximate environment is the one who gets to bear the brunt of everything that's going wrong in their lives.
I am feeling the experience is
Men
coming
and
back
accountability
to me.
on opposite ends of the spectrum. No. Drag another female to it and accountability.
Yeah, the female has to take the accountability, and that gives me anger more than ick. To be honest,
Same here.
I want to smash someone.
उठा के
इसी
कुछ बजा उठा के कुछ बजा दो.
यही है मेरे सामने बैठे हुए.
I
What's the
think
other thing that gives you ick?
I think men who come up to me and say, let's see where this goes. Baba, देख, this is first of all not going anywhere, but you are going away immediately, blocked.
Very good. I'm proud of you.
I am not investing. I'm not investing my time, energy, effort, or even an hour of my day in something that is not concrete.
I think we should understand it beforehand when they come up to us and tell us this. We should just block them.
And let's see where this goes. It's not going
we
anywhere.
shouldn't give our energy in that, because I think a man who is interested in you will never say that.
I mean, I've heard so many stories about people who actually have successful marriages later on in their life, or relationships. Marriages to trigger हो जाएंगे ना ये men तो okay, relationships in their life. So I realized that they meet on the first date, and on the first date and after that they've just been in a relationship forever. It just
That's
took
so
them
nice.
one date to click.
Nice one.
That is the ideal, and men come and say, yo, let's see where this goes. No, yo, blocked.
They are confused and they don't want to do anything about it.
They are confused and they just have a lot of time to wire, and others times to waste. So tell me one other thing.
They act like they know everything, like, or they don't even act like, they think they knows everything.
You know, mansplaining तो इनके साथ इतनी बड़ी दिक्कत है. Like there is nothing. Don't tell me anything. I know everything.
हाँ, मुझे मत बताओ.
मुझे मत बताओ. I know
सब
everything.
पता है.
हाँ, मुझे पता है.
मुझे पता है, तुम जो बोलोगे वो
मुझे
मेरे को पता है.
हाँ.
Even though they don't know about it, they will act like they know it,
Yeah,
because
they will
I am
act-
explaining it
और वो
to
तो
them.
frustrating होता है. Why don't you just admit the fact that this is not something that you're aware about? And let me tell you, I am not going to be unkind or condescending while telling you that, but just let me tell you.
Unkind like you, but okay.
And I think the last thing that upsets me about men is a lot of talk with no actions. I mean, if you're promising me something, or if you're telling me that you'll see me at 7, say, today, and then you're like, hey, something came up, I couldn't, or I have other commitments. See, once, twice, thrice, I get it.
But every time.
But if this is becoming a pattern, if you're doing it consistently, you're just a fucking politician. You're saying and saying and saying, and you're not delivering on any of those.
I think
So,
they lack commitment.
I know, and you're just a good fucking orator. That does not make you a good partner.
They just want you in their life, but they
Yeah,
don't
you
want to
can-
commit to anything.
You can go join the DebSoc right now, but you have no place in my life, please.
Okay.
I think we've covered everything that we
think that
think is
is-
upsetting about men.
We think. Okay. Bye bye.